Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a really exciting video because I'm going to review the Emma Sleep Original Mattress. About 2 months ago, I partnered with Emma Sleep Australia, which is a company off of Emma Mattress in the UK, to try out their original mattress. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen us unboxing the mattress on my Instagram story. And also a few weeks ago, I put out a blog post all about our review and experience. But today I'm going to dive right into a full review of our Emma Sleep mattress, tell you about what we liked and maybe don't like about the mattress, and essentially if it's worth the money. If interested, I do have a promo code in the description bar below, which will give you a discount off of an Emma mattress for yourself after hearing the reviews and seeing if it's the right mattress for you. The process started about a few months ago when we were looking for a new mattress. My partner and I both were sleeping absolutely terrible. We were not sleeping well through the night. We were waking up exhausted, and both of us are normally early risers, and we just have been sleeping horribly. So we knew something had to change because we are the type of people that we know we're not the nicest when we don't get enough sleep, and we just knew that for our well-being we needed a new mattress and a new bed. So originally we had a queen size mattress, which is totally fine for the two of us, but we thought that if we were going to get a new bed and invest in everything, that we wanted to invest in a king size bed. A big factor for us to consider getting a king size bed was Freya right here. She practically begs us like every night to sleep in bed with us, but although she may be tiny, she seems to take up so much of the bed. So we thought that with a king size mattress, we could fit all of us comfortably on there. Ended up doing some research and I stumbled upon Emma Sleep in Australia, which, as I mentioned, is Emma Mattress in the UK. And I read some reviews. They were all great. I saw that the features of the mattress really aligned with what we wanted in a mattress. So especially having two people sleep in the same bed, the fact that the Emma Original Mattress had 0 sleep disturbance was a huge deciding factor for us, because the fact that where Nathan gets up before I do, or I'm going to bed later than him, and just like tossing and turning, that it was really, that's kind of what really sold us on the whole mattress, was the 0 partner disturbance. So when our Emma mattress originally arrived, it came in a very compact box. So I've always gravitated towards box mattresses, not because I've had necessarily the best experience with them, but just out of convenience. The box mattresses are really convenient, but I know sometimes they can get a bad rep. So I was a little skeptical and really wanted to truly test out to make sure that this mattress was something that was going to work with us. Even though I was partnering with Emma Sleep, I really wanted to make sure that it was the right mattress for us, as we were going to have to invest in a new bed and everything like that. I was really impressed with how the Emma mattress arrived. It was really quickly delivered to our house in a compact box. What really impressed me with the whole process was how simple and easy it was to set up our new Emma Sleep bed. Especially for someone that may be in college or living alone, this mattress is great for you setup wise. I had Nathan there, but I really didn't need him there. I could have easily done it by myself, and a mattress comes with everything that you need. So as soon as you open the box, you see this box cutter to open the box. It was so easy. You just cut the sides of the box. So after cutting everything open, you just let the mattress breathe. And on the website, it says to let the mattress breathe for about 20 minutes. We had mattresses that came in a box before this. We planned on letting the mattress breathe overnight, as most mattresses do, but with the Emma Sleep mattress, you are able to sleep on the bed that same night. So it's really great if you're moving into a new place to not worry about traveling with a mattress. Get the Emma Sleep mattress sent to your house and you'll be able to sleep on it that night. So I really loved that, the convenience of everything from the box cutter. As soon as you open it, just step by step, no instructions needed, because everything's basically laid out when it comes to unwrapping your bed. The process of setting up the mattress was definitely a huge plus in my book, and super easy. Whether you're living with somebody or alone, you can set up this mattress. So at first I was a little concerned because the first night of sleep was all right, but it wasn't amazing. It was a little firm for us at first. which wasn't a huge deal, but I was thinking maybe I'd have to get a mattress topper eventually, which I've gotten with all my other beds. But I truly wanted to test out this mattress without any additional padding, without a mattress topper, anything like that. So we continued to sleep on the mattress as is, and Emma Sleep says that it can take your body up to 2 weeks to get adjusted to the mattress fully. So with that in mind, we continued to sleep on the mattress, and over time we have been getting the best sleep that we've ever had in such a long time. I don't know if the mattress forms to our body and that's why, or our body adjusted to the mattress, but either way, we've been getting amazing sleep, including Freya, for the last couple months with our Emma Sleep mattress. So the mattress is made up of foam, which is really great for adjusting to your body and also with the zero partner disturbance. So I can honestly say that there is zero partner disturbance. Nathan will get up in the morning for work and I will not feel him at all. I'll get up to go to the bathroom, whatever. He will have no idea. It's as if he's still in the bed or I'm still in the bed. We don't feel each other get up, move in and out of bed at all. So that's been really, really great, especially if your partner has a different sleep schedule than you. The king size has also worked really well with us. So it's probably a combination of the mattress itself, but also the size. So we've been sleeping really great. I've been able to roll over, sleep in any position. I'm someone that likes to sleep on my back one night, my stomach the next, one leg up, one leg down, just all these different sleeping positions, and everything's really comfortable. Also, something is that Nathan stated that he is able to sleep on his side now, which was something he wasn't able to do in our last mattress. I had no idea he couldn't sleep on his side and that was really uncomfortable, but since we've had this mattress, he says that he's able to do it and he's able to comfortably sleep on any position. One of the biggest improvements that was unexpected to me is my back pain. So I'm someone that works on my computer all the time. I have an office job full time, and if I'm not working in my office, I'm blogging, I'm freelancing, I'm doing tons of stuff sitting at a desk. So as you can imagine, my lower back has hurt the past few years, and I thought it was associated with working at a desk. Well, I think it is because of our old mattress, because ever since we got our Emma Sleep mattress, my back hasn't hurt. I had no idea that this was going to be a benefit of getting a new mattress, but I'm really not mad about it. I'm so happy that I don't have back pain. I just before always felt the need that my back needed to be cracked. It was just uncomfortable, and I don't feel that anymore. So if you have back pain and you're mid-20s and you're like, why do I have back pain? Well, this mattress may solve all your back problems, because it did for me. After doing some reviews and looking at what other people said, they said the same thing, that their back pain completely diminished after having the Emma Sleep mattress. So I have that discount code like I mentioned down below if you're interested in trying out the Emma Sleep mattress for yourself. Emma Sleep is in Australia, but they have Emma Mattress in the UK and internationally. So in the US, anywhere, you can probably find Emma Mattress for yourself. It is the UK's top rated mattress. So it has tons of reviews, tons of awards, and it's made its way to Australia. There's a discount code down below, but they also offer things like a 100-night trial. So the great thing about that is that you truly don't know what a mattress is gonna be like for yourself until you try it out for yourself. Like I said, the first couple nights we were like, okay, this is nice, but we don't love it. Now we're 2 months in and I can say that we love our mattress. It is so comfortable, we're sleeping great. So it's kind of the thing that you need time for your body to adjust and the mattress to adjust to your body for you to truly compare to see if the mattress is for you. So that's what's great about the 100-night free trial. If you decide the mattress is not for you after those 100 nights, I'm sure you'll be able to tell whether it is or not, just because how we were able to tell so quickly. So if it's not for you, you can return it, free shipping, they will collect it for you, not a problem. So I honestly don't see a reason why not to try it, especially if you're in the market for a new mattress. There was nothing wrong with our mattress other than how we were sleeping. So our mattress that we had before was only a couple years old. We're in the market for a new mattress, but after we noticed how horrible our sleep was, it wasn't environment, it wasn't changing in the weather or anything like that. It was solely our mattress. And just doing a quick fix like getting a new mattress, something that's so easy to set up, we have been sleeping so much better, and in turn have been more productive during the day, have been nicer people with more sleep. I highly recommend that you try out the Emma Original Mattress for yourself. So prices start for the Emma Original Mattress at $4.99, and I believe our king size mattress was $8.99, but with our discount code you can get 15% off your purchase. And as I mentioned, the bed comes with a 100-night trial with free shipping and delivery. So if it doesn't work out for you, you can return it, no hassle, no problem. Customer service is great. So if you have any questions to see if it's the right bed for you, you can totally ask them. And the mattress also has a 10-year warranty. So it is meant to last. It's not something like our past box mattresses that 2 years and we were done with it. It is something that is supposed to stand the test of time and allow you to comfortably sleep for 10 years plus. What I love about the Emma Sleep mattress is that they truly have tested different things. They've listened to the reviews of their customers and truly made a mattress that ticks all the boxes. This mattress, their Emma Original Mattress, is ideal for all body types. So regardless of your body type, regardless of your sleep position, it will work for you. The mattress itself is cool and breathable, and the foam that's used in the mattress is eco-friendly and doesn't have any chemicals. So that was something that, another reason why you can sleep on the mattress that night that you set it up, is because it doesn't have any chemical smell. It smells like nothing. So there's no harsh chemicals, which is really, really nice, and something that I have found a lot of mattresses do have harsh smelling chemicals. It also comes with a breathable, machine washable mattress cover. So this way, if anything happens on the bed, spills or anything, you can just zip it off and put it in the washing machine, and then you're good to go. So Emma Sleep only has one mattress, and that's because they have made the perfect mattress for all body types. It sounds like nearly impossible, but I swear, with my partner and I having completely different sleeping habits, different bodies, he sleeps really hot, I'm really cold, we sleep in different positions, all that kind of stuff. It works so well for both of us. It uses this amazing foam that helps with spine alignment and just adjusts to your body for you to be able to sleep in the most comfortable way. It's breathable, it relieves any pressure, and it supports your body fully while you sleep. The mattress is made up of 3 layers that adjust to your body shape and align your spine, so you sleep happier in any sleeping position imaginable. So overall, we've had an amazing experience with our Emma Sleep Original Mattress. Like I said, I highly recommend you try it out for yourself if you're in the market for a new mattress, or you're just not sleeping that great. With a 100-night free trial, free returns, delivery, and my discount code down below, you can try out the Emma mattress risk-free for 100 days and kind of see if it's the mattress for you. Trust me, if you're not sleeping well and you get this mattress, you will be thanking me, because it is so comfortable. You will just feel more energized in the morning and just have a better night's sleep with Emma Sleep. So I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you found this helpful if you're debating between getting a mattress or not. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.